So I just bought this part from eBay. It's already fitted in. It's there, and you can see it's leaking. The oil is fucking. It's leaking out. The hydraulic oil. You can't really see now, but it leaks. Try again. You can see it's leaking. So this is what I bought from eBay. It's already fit. I am in TS7 Autos, and I said the part is worn. It's not very good. This is my my old part. So you can see the part number is not the same as I bought from eBay. It's K10721468. So it's not the same part as I bought it from eBay. I try to. Yeah. So it's my original part, and yeah. So now I have to remove it from there, and I have to buy an original one. So I would like to send this one back because it's I can't use it. So that's it. This is just the proof. I try my best, and the garage tried their best, but they said it's no good after the fit. So I'm here. This is my car, and that is old part and new bad part. Thank you.